Ser pan comido. Ser pan comido. The literal translation is to be eaten bread. Very, very nonsense. To be eaten bread. Do you want to be eaten bread? What does that even mean? Ser comes from, well, it's a verb. It's not conjugated. Obviously, you need to know how to conjugate the verb ser if you want to use this phrase. Ser means to be. Pan means bread. Comido means eaten. Okay? Remember, pan is masculine. El pan. Okay? Because I know it might look feminine, but it's actually masculine. El pan. To be eaten bread. Ser pan comido. Now, let's see the meaning of this. The meaning is, or it's similar to be a piece of cake. Right? In English, that's a very common phrase to say. To be a piece of cake. When something is easy. If you had to fix something, it was easy. It was a piece of cake. Okay? You had a test. I don't know. And it was a piece of cake. So you can use this phrase in those situations. Ser pan comido. To be eaten bread. I'm not sure why bread. I mean, I'm not sure why cake either. Like, I don't know, but somehow, they're common expressions. And let's look at an example. Let's see how to use this phrase. Again, I'm using the wrong brush. Ya arreglé la computadora. Ya arreglé la computadora. Okay. We're talking about computers or just a computer. Computadora. I mean, it looks very similar to computer, to the word computer. So that's what it means. La computadora, computer. Of course, if you are in Spain, it will be el ordenador. El ordenador. Ya arreglé el ordenador. Quite different. Doesn't look like it says computer there, but that's what it means. And el ordenador is used in Spain only. La computadora, Latin America. Some people call computadora compu. Compu. Sounds pretty cute. Compu, la compu. Okay. So la computadora, computer. Compu, computer. Ordenador, computer. That's what we're talking about. Fue pan comido. Fue pan comido. Fue pan comido. Ya arreglé la computadora. Fue pan comido. This means I already fixed the computer. Okay? It was a piece of cake. So easy. So easy. Ya means already. Okay? And it's commonly used to say, when something is done. When something is done, it's finished. You don't have to do anything else. In this situation, arreglé means, it comes from the verb arreglar, which means to fix. In this situation, it's past tense, and it means fixed. Ya, by the way, ya also means yet. If you say ya llegamos, are we there yet? Okay. So it depends on the situation, but ya also means already. So in this situation, I mean, you can have yo, of course, over here, but we don't need it all the time. Yo ya arreglé. That literally means I already fixed. You don't need yo. You can say ya arreglé, okay? La computadora, you know what this means. The computer, la compu, okay? Fue. I like the sound of that. Fue. Fue means it was. It was, okay? Fue. It comes from this verb right here. So that's why when I started talking about this phrase, I told you need to know the conjugation of the verb ser. And that's why I said that, because you can say fue or es. Es means it's. If you say es pan comido, it's a piece of cake. Fue pan comido, it was a piece of cake. Okay? So past tense, it was a piece of cake. If someone is asking you, hey, like, can you fix this? Can you fix my computer? I have this issue, blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. Then you can say, claro, sure. Es pan comido. It's a piece of cake. Okay? So that's what it means. If someone is asking you to fix something, right, and you can do it, then you can say, es pan comido. It's a piece of cake. In this situation, past tense, you already fixed the computer, so that's why you need fue. Fue pan comido. It was a piece of cake. So, no problem at all. Excellent. So remember, if you want to say, it's a piece of cake, or it was a piece of cake, or just when something is really easy to do or fix, you can use this phrase, ser pan comido. And we're talking about bread for some reason. We're talking about bread. I mean, as I said before, in English, it's a cake. In Spanish, it's bread. I'm not sure why, but it's a funny phrase to use for sure.